Presto 06012 Nomad 8-quart traveling slow cooker, tan. The slow cooker that cooks and goes, ideal for slow cooking foods and taking them on the road. Swing up handle makes carrying easy. In carrying mode, locking lid seals tight for spill-proof transport. Rugged, wide profile picnic cooler style with cool touch housing prevents tipovers when traveling. Generous 8 QT capacity with viewing window, cover and pot removed for easy cleaning. High, low and keep warm settings. Built-in cord storage. Removable utensil holder doubles as a handy spoon rest plus whiteboard and marker. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
Smartest dustpan you could ever imagine? Well, okay, it's a vacuum, but you don't need to move it or touch it at all. Your job is just to sweep all the dust and debris in front of this little device. It'll automatically activate the cyclonic vacuum, so the dirt will be gone in a few seconds. That's it. Your floor is nice and clean. The idea was originally used in hair salons. That means the iVac can handle pet hair easily. Keeping the device clean and ready for work is quite simple. Large, bagless canister doesn't require any special care. On top of that, iVac is provided with a HEPA air filter. This is a device your home.
Hi everyone, we the Balaton family would like to introduce you to a Balaton mug. The mug that will maintain the perfect temperature for your coffee or tea. The Balaton mug brings all the best features to the table. With our temperature control option, you'll enjoy your coffee to the very last sip. Besides the temperature control feature, our coaster can be used as a regular Qi charger for any device. The coating of Balaton is antibacterial, so it'll stay cleaner and have a longer odor-free life than other mugs. Onto our coaster, it's completely waterproof, so don't worry if you spill some hot tea or coffee on it. Just clean it and then use it again. The Balaton is safe, clean, and amazingly convenient, and made to be your best office friend. As safety comes first for Balaton, the coaster turns on and off by itself. Just put a mug or device on it. Hurry up and get your Balaton mug now with 23% off sale only on Indiegogo.
Because it can burn. Just keep an eye on it. Look at the color. These are done. Oh, I love that deep color that food gets when it chars a bit. And you see again in the original Ninja Foodi, it just gets darker. It does has a larger heating element, and maybe that is what it has to do with the darker color. So you can see them here side by side in the original Ninja Foodi grill and the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill XL. Let's get them on a plate and look at them from the original Ninja Foodi. Those wings are gorgeous. Don't you just want to reach and pluck one right off the screen? So good. Now, let's take a look at the wing over in the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill. I mean, they look great. They look great. But the proof is in the tasting. If you want more, I'm ready to eat, y'all. I'm going to grab a couple of wings and taste them right now. Let's go.
I'm going to do a quick review because I was stuck opening this new product. So the Sakura, it came today in the mail. I'm really excited because I had another air fryer that just stopped working. So now here's the challenge. You're going to see this, and if you've had an air fryer before, you're going to try to press it down or move this. But really, you just kind of pull it out, okay? And then when you want to get the basket out, you push this in and the basket comes up. It does come with a rack, and it also comes with the 4 skewers. So really excited to try this product out. I will update it after a few months to make sure that it's still working, but it's a small, I have the small, but it seems like it has pretty nice size and depth as well. All right, keep trying, y'all.
time, okay? See you there.
Give me a smile.
Toby, get down.
Hey Google, vacuum the kitchen.
Hey Google, play my dinner playlist.